Since the very beginning, 45 years ago, LdM's philosophy has been to cultivate and preserve local traditions, while being responsive to educational advancements. Every year, new courses are added to the catalogue and older ones are developed and updated. In fact, a course in restoration, which has been part of the LdM catalogue since the beginning of the school, all those years later still is one of the best examples of how to combine traditional knowledge dating back to the Renaissance with innovative approaches. On site, students learn to apply the theoretical knowledge in practice and to work as a team. The professor serves to create cohesion between the members of the group who work and collaborate together for a single purpose. This year they worked on frescoes in the 14th century hunting lodge outside of Florence, which also provided an opportunity for them to be immersed in the local community.
I came to this school specifically because I knew there was a lot of hands-on work, and that was really valuable to me. You can learn a lot in a classroom, but I think it's very, very different. It's also the way that I learn personally.
This academic year, LdM Press has published a book on the restoration work conducted by the Restoration Department in the most important Catholic churches in Delhi and other cities in India, where precious frescoes by Italian masters were saved from falling into ruin.